Good evening to everyone. Welcome back to pantechelearning. So today is our fourth day. So we are going to the third application based on AI. So please check with my voice. So good evening to everyone. Please check with my voice. Okay. So wait a minute, I will adjust my voice. So good evening to everyone. So please check with my voice now. Please check with my voice. So good evening to everyone. Please check with my voice. ये voice రావట్లేదు ఒకసారి సార్ మీరు చేసినబ్బా మాక్సిమం ఉంది వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు వాయిస్ Evening to everyone. Evening to everyone. Am I audible to you or not? Evening to everyone. My voice. Please check with my voice whether I'm audible or not. Please check. Okay. Now I think I'm audible to you. For the day, have some technical issue. So good evening to everyone. Welcome back to pantechelearning. So today we can go with the third application. So it's about AI based application. It's a 6 week marathon session. So first 5 days we are going with the artificial intelligence. So we are going with the third application here in artificial intelligence. So that is about AI based object detection. So we have object detection in different ways. So we are using AI based object detection. So little bit introduction I will give you about the object detection, then we can go with the next format. So the first thing is you have to know what is AI. So till now a lot of times we already discussed what is AI. So now we are going with the object detection, how we are using object detection in AI. So the simple thing, if you are giving some training process to the system, whether that may be a robot or your laptop, anything, you are giving a more training process to the system, then it will recognize easily what you are giving. So that is the main thing. Okay, so here also we are doing the same thing. So regarding for the object detection based, what you need exactly the packages, and so how it's going on and which type of packages you need. So each and everything we are giving to here. So that is only the part of your object detection based. So simply we can discuss one after another how we are going with this object detection, and so what is the importance of the object detection, why we are going with this object detection. So do we facing any problems in nowadays? So because all people need a very trendy thing. Okay, when you're comparing with others, so we need much more trendy because the people don't have much more time. So we have to rectify the problems by using this object detection when you need to identify any type of objects for surveillance applications or any type of the applications. So it's very useful to all people, not only for the business people, for multimedia purpose, for social media purpose. If you are going with the forensic applications, surveillance applications, it's very useful. So that's why we are going this object detection based with AI. So now let us know about what is a object detection. So simply we can see, if you are seeing through your eyes any objects, any things, okay, so we can say directly that is an object detection. Okay, for example, you can see, so I'm seeing this laptop and I have a mobile and I have a mouse, so each and everything I have here. So how I'm telling this is this type of object, I already trained with my database in my brain. So when I'm seeing these objects, I'm telling directly this is this type of object. So here the thing is, we are detecting the object based on the features. So that may be a size, shape, color, edges, thickness, thinness, and different colors. So what we are seeing through your eyes, so we are telling that is this type of object. So the same thing, the system should do the same thing. So that purpose we are moving with this one. So So here we are using the thing is, so computer vision for this purpose. Okay, so not only the computer vision, without computer vision also we can do. The thing is, in a artificial intelligence we can use directly OpenCV, so computer vision, and without computer vision also we can do here. Okay, and this object detection will do with the videos and as well as images also. Okay, so here the main thing is, we want to identify the different objects in a different ways. So you can see this object, see this picture. So persons are there and bicycle is there and girls. So different genders are there. Like you can see buildings, each and everything we are detecting objects by using object detection process. Okay. So why we are using this object detection? Okay. So nowadays you can see all people are searching for different application wise. Okay, so for example, you can see police people also what they are doing. Okay, so or military people also. Okay, if they want to search something, so they have to give much more time to search that objects. Okay, so for example, you can go with any forensic applications. In that applications they want to find out some objects. Okay, for example, so now you can see in military applications, so they are searching for some objects. For example, they lost something uh, in middle of the parts what they are doing a work in that. So they are searching for with this some forensic uh, objects. Okay, then what they want to do, so they have to find out that objects, but they can't see properly. Sometimes maybe lot of objects are there, exactly they need this type of object, like they need only gun. Okay, so they have to find out the gun, and they are seeing lot of objects in front of them. So and sometimes you can see in CC footages also. So if any people are using unwanted thing in public areas. Okay, so in public areas we want to use any uh, guns like that. We want to use the type of things. Okay, we want to identify whether any person is using the type of objects or not. Okay, so then how we will identify? So when you're seeing a person is seeing in that video, so that is very critical to find out each and every object. But if you are using this object detection, so it will identify each and everything, whether that may be a person, things, or animals, birds, anything it will identify. Okay, so that purpose you have to do uh, this object detection process. Okay, so now I'm going with the object detection process to here. Okay, so the main thing is, it will reduce the time of the person. Okay, and it will helpful for all type of applications, like forensic applications, for military applications. If any unwanted things, like any harmful things we are identifying in a public areas, so we can easily identify those objects by using this object detection. You can see, for example purpose I'm giving here, this is my original picture. I'm identifying the object based, it's showing this is a dog. Okay, so like that we can identify the things and persons, birds, anything we can identify. Okay, so we have different type of things are there. So how we are working for this object detection, I will tell you now. Okay, So we are working with the different packages here for this purpose. So we are using image AI for the object detection based, and we are using H5 files. Okay, and the next one is we are using TensorFlow Keras, and as well as we need some packages. Okay, so we have to gather some packages. So why you want to gather some packages? So actually the main thing is when you're taking input video from CCTV footages or from images, okay, you have to identify some objects. The first thing is you have to take an input video, whether that may be a live or stored video, or live pictures or stored pictures. So take first. The second thing is, so you have to convert little bit things, because when you're taking input video directly, you can't find out each and everything from that video. You have to do some modifications on that. Then you can find out each and every object by using different packages here. That is only we are discussing now here. So in this purpose we are using different type of module packages. The main thing is image AI. Okay, so what is the use of the image AI? So why we are using this image AI, I will tell you after some time when you are going with the module discussion. So I think hope you will understand what is nothing but object detection and how we are using object detection, each and everything. So now we can move with applications of artificial intelligence using object detection. Okay, so now you can see I'm giving a lot of applications here. Okay, object detection based in the retail purpose, so autonomous driving purpose, animal detection in agriculture, so people detection purpose, and you can see vehicle detection with the AI, so medical feature detection in healthcare. So we have a lot of applications. So one after another I will explain to you here. The first thing is, so I'm taking an application field of security and surveillance. Okay, that is nothing but in companies or in military applications, in police department. So we can take any security purpose or surveillance applications. Okay, so please check with my voice. Please listen my voice. Whether I'm audible or not, please check properly. So some people. So please check, ma'am. Now I think I'm audible, right? So please check with my voice. Okay. So now I'm going with the application of security and field surveillance. You can see that one. And how you will use these applications, you can see. Okay. So now is it okay? Now you can check with my voice whether I'm audible or not. Okay. Wait a minute. Uh, so now you can check with my voice. So hope I'm audible now. Now please check with my voice. So don't worry about the registration link. At the end of the class, I will provide the registration link. So now you can check with my voice. Okay. So the main thing is, so we are going with the application here for the surveillance applications. So how we are using this object detection and surveillance application of security purpose means, you can see, for example, you have to find out the persons. Okay. for surveillance applications, like unknown persons are there, exactly. So you want to enter the person in your company who are already working in a company, okay? Other people won't allow into the company. Then what you will do, so you have already the database, just give the database to the object detection based, and it will find out only the persons who are entering into the company, who are entering into the new persons also. If new person is entering means, so it will show, so this person is the new person. So like that it will give some suggestions to the person, okay? So like that we can use this object detection based. So then what is the difference? So I'm telling only the persons, I'm not telling anything regarding for this. So what is that? So why I'm telling only the persons? In object detection only, we have a person identification and we have a remaining object things identification, birds identification, animal identification. But I'm selecting only the person identification. Then you can find out the persons whether you need whether you need or not that persons, okay? So based on requirement you can follow that one. And next one is in military application, how you will use, okay? So how will use in military applications you can see. So for example the same thing, okay? So in military applications you can see, so you have some area for this, okay? So you have some area for the military applications. Then what you will do there, so you can find out the persons in that area only, okay? If any person, a new person is entering into that area, so it will give suggestions. Like that we can use this application over there, okay? Okay, so next one is counting the crowd, okay? You can see nowadays so we are getting problems with the covid, right? So all people are affecting with the covid, okay? So if you are taking a crowd based, okay, so if you are going with the crowd based, so in malls or in hospitals at anywhere, okay? So you should take some count of the persons, okay? You should allow only some count of the persons. So uh, like more than that count, for example I'm giving per day only 500 count, okay? If any person is entering more than 500 means, you can tell directly, so you can give suggestions to there, okay? So for crowd counting, so you can easily use this one. And when you are counting the crowd, so when the condition is satisfied, okay, when the person is when the count is up to 500, that's okay, fine. If it is greater than 500 means, you can stop the people and you can close the door. So like that we can give some conditions over there, okay? And the next one is self-driving cars, okay? So you can see nowadays I think we already got a self-driving cars, right? EV based, like we are providing all software in our cars. Without person also car is moving, okay? If you are giving suggestions, so without car also without person also car is moving, okay? Then you can see in this picture, so here we already given some suggestions to the what is it car, okay? So when the car is moving, okay, if anything is identifying in front of that car, so it will identify the objects, whether that may be a cars or persons, anything it will identify. And based on that it will so based on that it will take a suggestions, okay? For example, if you are identifying the signs of the traffic signs, okay, you want to go right, you want to go left, so like that if you are giving any suggestions, like if you are taking, if you are getting any type of these signs, so based on the signs also you can move, turn to left or right or straight, like that you can go, okay? Because we are identifying the signs. How we are identifying? Based on this AI based object detection only, okay? So next one is detecting the vehicles. You can see. So for example, if you are going with the, So if you are going with any type of the applications in traffic applications, you can see in some areas traffic is very high. Okay, so at the time you have to identify the vehicles. If traffic is very high in north side, you should give much more time to the north side, and for remaining side you can give very less time. Okay, so that purpose what you should do, so just give a conditions when you're identifying the vehicles counting, so then it's good for to you. Okay, so like that we can use this information. And next one is detecting anomaly. So that is nothing but for forest applications also you can use. Okay, you can see in forest applications like whether that are normal areas or forest areas, so we should take features of that of things, and you can identify whether that is normal one or forest areas, like that you should identify. Okay, so that purpose also you can use these object detection based. And next, so these are the applications, and we have a lot of applications, not only these applications, so we have a lot of applications. So wait a minute, I will check my voice. So voice is clear only. I think please check with your systems also. So now only I checked. So voice is better only. Okay. So now we are going with the modules. Okay. So we start up the modules we are using. So the main thing is we are using image AI and object detection. Okay. So and whatever the remaining thing is, that are the packages exactly what you need for the object detection. Okay. So these are about only the modules. Okay, the module thing is nothing but, so the main parts of this modules is what I will tell you. The first thing is image AI. So from image AI only we are using object detection. So previous days we can see, if you want to find out the objects, so you should take a training process, and you should take a much more coding part, and you should take a lot of files and CNN training process. If you are going with the YOLO, you should take YOLO process. That are the difference. But now nowadays we are going with the simple thing by using AI, because they already designed with each and every objects. They already found one object package is image AI. When you are installing this image AI, so directly you can find out each and everything objects. Okay, so before going to our code practical part, so I should explain some packages here. So hope you understand what is object detection. So now I will tell you how many packages we are using for our project. Okay. So for this application, what we are using each and everything I will tell you here. Hope you will understand very well. So now you can see the first thing is you want to use a tensor flow. Okay. So not only for this, if you want to go with any much more data applications, you should use TensorFlow and Keras. So the first thing is TensorFlow, and next one is the Keras. And next you should use the Pillow, and you should use Image AI and OpenCV. If you need OpenCV means you can go with the OpenCV application also. So these many applications are there. The first I will tell you about the OpenCV. Okay. So first thing is OpenCV, right? So then what is the use of the OpenCV application? So OpenCV is nothing but one of the package in Python. So it's useful for image reading purpose, display purpose, for video display purpose, video purpose. We can use this one. Okay. So that purpose we are using here the OpenCV. So it's a very important thing when you're comparing with the others. So without OpenCV package also we have image. From below we can go with the image. Directly from that also we can do. But OpenCV, in this OpenCV package they already done with a lot of attributes. If you want to read, display, if you want to apply to the algorithms, so you want to do any conversions, you can do anything here by using OpenCV. Okay, and the next one is, why I'm telling here why we are using a Python language for this purpose means, so it's a simple language, right? And in OpenCV, why you are using OpenCV package means it's an open source package. Okay, so it's an open source computer vision package. If you want to go with the image based, video based applications, you can use much more about this OpenCV. And the next one is, it's about open source. Okay, why I'm telling open source? So without taking, without giving money, we are getting this package directly. Okay, that's why I'm telling this is a open source. Next one is image AI. So previously for image detection process, like object detection process, you should take YOLO, CNN training or any algorithm training or CNN training. You should do lot of things. Okay, but when you are going with the image AI, so directly they are already done with the training, and after that they created one package that is image AI. When you are installing image AI, you can easily detect the object detection. Okay, so that's why we are using here object detection. And next one is pillow. Okay, so what is nothing but a pillow is nothing but, so it's about for image application based, it's very useful for that. And in this only we have lot of packages, and that's why we're using this one. And next one is a keras. Okay, so why we are using keras in a artificial intelligence? So deep learning is one of subset thing, right? So if you want to identify any things, you should give machine learning process and as well as deep learning process to the artificial intelligence, then only it will work very properly. Okay, so here keras is one of the package from the deep learning. If you have much more data or if you want to learn deeply, you can use these keras with the help of backend of this TensorFlow, the machine learning package. Okay, okay, so TensorFlow is a machine learning package and keras is deep learning package. So why we are using these two packages means, if you want to go with a much more data or you want to identify the each and every things in a less time, very deeply, very clearly, you can use this TensorFlow and keras. Okay, so these are the things what you are what we are checking each and everything. So next, so these are the packages what we are using for the project. So now I'm going with the modules we already discussed, right? So let's take a break. Yeah, okay. So now we can go with the hand-on session. Hope people understand each and everything. So the main theme of the project is, so the conclusion of the project is what? So when you are identifying the each and every object based on your applications, very useful to all people. So that's why we are going with this application in AI. But the main thing is, without AI also we already did with the object detection applications. So but we are using for the purpose of AI, because within a less lines and within a less time we can get the output. Okay, so that's why we are going with this one. Hope you will understand each and everything. So now I can go with the application wise. So how we are using each and everything. So for this purpose, I'm using software as Anaconda Navigator. So I'm using Anaconda Navigator for this purpose. So don't worry about the attendance link. They will provide attendance link. So they already provided. Please check with that. So for this purpose, I'm using Anaconda Navigator. So not only the Anaconda Navigator, you can use PyCharm individually and Spider in Anaconda Navigator. and you can use Jupyter notebook also for this purpose, but the thing is format is different. Okay, we are using Python language only for all, and we can use Python ideally also. Okay, so we have a lot of things for this purpose. So now I'm just going with the Anaconda Navigator. So it's already open. So you can see in this we have lot of applications are there here. Okay, so I already installed each and every packages in this, so that's why I'm just going with this one. So I'm opening a terminal. So where I have code, I have to check this one once. Okay, here only my code is there. So copy the path to this one prompt. So the path is different, right? So you should change the path to here. Okay. So now you can give what you already copied the path. Just give that one. Now you can see we are getting the path of that one. So just give the code name like .py file name. Okay, and it will shows when it is detecting the each and every object. So how much percentage accuracy based on the accuracy. So how much percentage is detecting. So it will shows automatically in a percentage wise. Okay, so it's running the program just to see. Okay, so we are detecting each and every object here. Okay, so bus is 96%, person is 85%. Okay, so when you're detecting the object, each and every object, it's giving the accuracy levels. Now I will show you the code to here for your purpose. Okay, you can see. So when you are moving with this one, so from so image AI, I'm importing object detection and I'm importing OS operating system. So from that I'm taking object detection process and I'm giving a path of that resonate file also. Resonate file also very important. Then you can give input image name to here and it will identify each and everything. Okay, so you should give the name to here. Okay, image.jpeg I given. So that purpose I'm getting output as here. Okay, so this is my input image. For this purpose I'm getting this output. Okay, but if you want to take any other things also, you can take the image and you can check that image also. Wait a minute. So I will show you that output here. So actually we are calling a h5 files to here for our purpose, and we are giving our input image. Okay, so when you are selecting input image, we are getting our output as with the accuracy levels, each and everything, how many objects we are finding each and so each and everything we are getting here. You can see bus, person, each and everything we are getting here. So this is only the output process, and you can see that output picture here. Again, I will show you that one. For example, you can see I'm deleting this one. Okay. So now again I'm running my program in command prompt of Anaconda. Okay. So actually how we are saying that picture into certain folder means we are just giving the a path. Okay. Automatically save that picture into certain location. Okay. So again we detected each and everything. So bus, person, each and everything. So you can check with the remaining objects also. You can see we are getting output directly, right? So see. So for each and everything object can detect like this. So this is only the our process. Okay. So till now if you have any doubts you can ask me. This is about each and everything. So the main conclusion of this part is when you are moving with this one. So we are within a less time by using artificial intelligence, within a less time we are identifying the object, and we are finding each and every object in a less time by using artificial intelligence. Thank you. Thanks for attending the webinar. So tomorrow we can go with the next application in AI.
Hi, this is your online store, exclusive for students who want to create. Our company has the solutions for you. We specialize in IEEE projects, tech trainings, lab equipments, and DIY projects. We can find new ideas for your projects. You can buy our products online. We deliver them worldwide and increase your value fast and easy and get more benefits. Time is important. Contact us today for your projects. Fill out of our form. Now you can have a break because you have already achieved your target. Visit our website www.pantechelearning.com.
So I think hope you will understand everything. So what we have the problems today, we can rectify all those things for tomorrow, and have a great day for all you. So if you need any requirement for the projects, anything, you can contact to these numbers. Can help you. So not only for the students, for all people we are helping. So thank you. Thanks.